English version mathematics class 5 chapter 1 number 5 multiply by the simple method. Number 1 199 into 25 equal to 200 minus 1 into 25 5000 minus 25 equal to 4975. Number 2 7240 into 110 equal to 7240 into 100 into 100. That means equal to 796400. Number 2 474520 equal to 98998. We can calculate this answer. Number 4 6521 into 1001. Calculate this and answer would be 6526520. Thank you. If you any doubt, comment us.